Ever stumbled across a site like Xas One offering insane amounts of free Robux just by typing your username? It almost feels too good to ignore, but hold on before you even think about it. Let's really break it down because what I found might save you from wasting your time. Xas One promises 1,700, 4,500, even up to 50,000 Robux without spending a dime. But when you dig deeper, things start looking shady fast. First red flag, the domain was only registered recently in 2025, which instantly raises questions about how trustworthy it really is. There's no official Roblox partnership mentioned anywhere. In the so-called Societate 26 Partners program, they brag about seems completely fictional with no solid proof behind it. You'll notice the site is packed with fake trust badges and verification checkmarks designed to trick visitors into feeling safe. But when it comes to actually getting any Robux, there's nothing, only shady redirects that lead to sketchy offers or surveys. Plus, there's no company information, no contact details, and not even an About Us page explaining who's behind the website. I also checked Trustpilot and found 0 reviews, and there's absolutely no social media presence either, which legit sites almost always have. On top of that, Xas One scored super low on even insights.com for website safety, adding yet another reason to stay cautious. So while the idea of free Robux sounds tempting, after checking all the facts, it's clear Xas One doesn't seem like a place you'd want to trust with your information or your time.